Well, it's after Detroit AutoRama, the only indoor car show that this car will do this year, maybe ever. As you can see, I've got a little oil leak from when the car fell off the jack, getting the car cleaned up and ready to go into the show. So Chris Kill and I are going to pull the hood off, pull the motor out, make some repairs, and get ready to actually go out and use the car this summer. Do some racing, some road trips, and enjoy it for what it was really built for. Well, we got the motor out of the Chevelle. For all you people who came by AutoRama and commented on how clean it looked under the hood and how there's nothing under there, here's a look of all the wiring and hoses and garbage that's hidden when the motor's installed properly. We'll see if we get it back in that nicely or not. But anyway, motor's out. We dropped the oil pan already, and there's our nice crack in it. Also, this is our break-in oil with 370 miles on it. Got quite a bit of metal in here, which is actually a bonus that we'll get to clean the oil pan out completely, put fresh oil in it, and be ready to go.